Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Biomes O Plenty mod for 1.8.9. This is an amazing mod. I used to play a lot with it and it adds a lot more biomes here and there. It has missing biomes, seasonal biomes. It has all the biomes basically. It looks really beautiful, so I'm going to show a few screenshots here really quick. So as you can see, there's a lot of biomes you can add. They're really beautiful. I really like them. So yeah, and they look realistic as well. So anyway, let's go down and find the version that we need for 1.8.9. This looks really beautiful, by the way. Oh, this looks amazing. The one with the tropic thing. So anyway, 1.8.9 is going to be here. Just press this, and this should show this button. Just press it, and it should start the download. If it loads an ad, open it again, and you're going to click the button. You can press keep because it's the mod. Now I want to go for Forge 1.8.9. The link will be in the description for both of these websites, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, we're just gonna download this thing. I know sometimes it says Windows installers. It used to say that before, not actually sometimes, but it always used to say that. But don't worry, it's all okay. So yeah, just press here, and we're just gonna have to wait 5 seconds. The Forge will be in the description, as I said, so just click the link and you'll be on the same page where you can download the Forge. So anyway, press keep, it's the same thing. So now I want to minimize this, and that's my recording software, and we're going to move that. So now we want to put the files on my desktop. If you don't have it on your desktop, you can go here, and you want to go to your downloads and find them in there. So you can go here, go to downloads and find them, and then drag them or copy paste them here. So I'm gonna close this for now, and we just want to install Forge. So double click on Forge 1.8.9 and just press OK. As you can see, mine installed it really fast because I already installed it before, but it might take you longer because sometimes it does. My first time also took a lot longer than this. So just press OK. Now we're gonna go to %, update our %. Just do that and press enter. You should find .minecraft. .minecraft could be down here as well, so just keep that in mind. And double click it and find the mods folder. If there isn't a mods folder, there probably won't be. Just right click, new folder, and name it like I named it here, all lower letters, mods in English. So yeah, double click it. As you can see, I already have a mod. Just delete it, or if it should be empty anyway. Or you can move that mod to somewhere else or another folder because it might crash with this mod. So yeah, we don't want any of that. So yeah, it should be empty. Now you can drag this here. You can also do copy. You can paste it. There's many ways, and then you can just delete this from here. But anyway, it should be in here, and then you can close this. You want to start Minecraft. You then want to find from here 1.8.9 like I did here, and you want to just press play. 4 mods loader is actually only one, because as you can see, Biomes O Plenty. The other 3 are just the loader, the coder, and the Forge thing. Anyway, if we go to single player and we create a world, let's see, default, super flat, large biomes, amplified, customized, Biomes O Plenty. So this is working. I'm not gonna create a world, but you get the point. It's working, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.